Did you know that a well-planned landscape can increase your home's value by as much as 15%? Or that spending just a few minutes in your garden each day might significantly boost your mood and overall sense of well-being? While many of us think of landscaping as something solely for curb appeal or simple aesthetics, the truth is much deeper and even more impactful than you might suspect. The intertwining effects of nature on property value and personal happiness create a powerful opportunity, one that can transform both our homes and our minds. Landscaping is far more than just planting flowers or laying down a fresh patch of sod. It is the strategic design and thoughtful maintenance of outdoor spaces, incorporating elements like plants, trees, walkways, water features, and lighting to create environments that are both functional and beautiful. From the classic tree-lined avenue to the peaceful backyard oasis, landscapes shape the way we interact with our homes and the natural world surrounding them. This crucial link between outdoor spaces and our quality of life has become an area of increasing scientific study and real estate interest, revealing just how valuable a thoughtfully designed yard or garden can be. There's a long-standing misconception that landscaping is all about visual appeal, just something to make your home look good for neighbors or occasional guests. In reality, the benefits of landscaping run much deeper. When homeowners invest in landscaping, they are investing in both a financial asset and a powerful tool for mental wellness. Research consistently shows that homes with attractive and well-maintained landscapes not only sell for higher prices, but often move quicker in the market. Beyond the dollars and cents, simply being around natural elements, from the gentle swaying of trees to the scent of fresh-cut grass, can lower stress levels, improve focus, and lift spirits. Let's explore what components of landscaping actually impact your home's value. To begin with, curb appeal remains one of the most critical aspects in real estate. The first impression your home makes, often from the street, can influence a buyer's perception instantaneously. Studies by the National Association of Realtors indicate that landscaping is considered one of the top 3 investments for increasing property value. Features like healthy, mature trees, neatly trimmed hedges, and vibrant flower beds can make your home feel established, cared for, and inviting. Hardscaping elements, such as walkways, patios, and stone walls, not only add beauty, but also provide essential structure and livability. A landmark study by Clemson University found that quality landscaping can increase a property's value by anywhere from 7 to 15%, depending on its original value and the neighborhood's standards. Other research suggests that specific features, such as the careful placement of shade trees, the inclusion of flowering plants that bloom throughout the seasons, and well-lit pathways, can maximize this return even further. But the value doesn't end with the sale price of your home. Over the past few decades, scientists and psychologists have delved into the health effects of green spaces, finding compelling links between exposure to nature and improved mental health outcomes. Just walking through a park, sitting in a garden, or tending to plants have been associated with reduced stress, lower blood pressure, improved attention, and a greater sense of happiness. The concept, often summarized as biophilia, suggests that humans have an innate need to connect with the natural world. A fascinating study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that individuals who spent time in landscaped environments experienced significantly lower levels of anxiety and depression compared to those who didn't. Gardens, even in small urban lots, provide an accessible retreat from the noise and pace of modern life. They become a place to unwind, reflect, and restore. For families, landscaped yards can foster opportunities for positive social interaction. Children who grow up with access to green spaces are more likely to engage in outdoor activities and develop strong emotional bonds with nature, habits that can last a lifetime. Even for adults, the simple act of gardening has been shown to increase feelings of accomplishment and reduce symptoms of seasonal affective disorder. Consider, for example, the story of one homeowner who transformed a barren backyard into a lush, multifunctional space with native grasses, pollinator-friendly flowers, and shaded seating areas. Not only did her home's appraised value jump by over $45,000 in a hot market, but she also found her own mood and energy levels improve. She described her new yard as a private sanctuary that made her feel as if she were on vacation every time she stepped outside. The value of her home increased, but so did her quality of life. Beyond anecdotal reports, the numbers are telling. A survey conducted by the National Association of Landscape Professionals found that over 84% of Americans agreed that the quality of a home's landscaping would impact their decision to buy or rent. Further, nearly two-thirds of respondents said that relaxing or spending time in a well-landscaped yard had tangible benefits for their mental health. What are the hallmarks of an effective landscape for increasing both home value and personal well-being? Start with diversity. Planting a mixture of trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals creates texture and color throughout the seasons, ensuring your yard is visually pleasing all year long. Include shade trees not only for their cooling benefits and energy efficiency, which can further add value, but also for their calming presence. Add pathways and sitting areas to encourage outdoor living and provide space for reflection or social gatherings. Don't overlook the benefits of incorporating water features, such as a small pond or fountain. The sound of flowing water can be naturally soothing and has been shown to reduce stress hormones in the body. Well-placed lighting extends the usability of your spaces into the evening and highlights architectural or natural features around your yard. Finally, embrace sustainable practices. Native plants not only require less water and maintenance, but also support local pollinators and wildlife. Composting, integrated pest management, and the use of organic mulch will enhance the health and vibrancy of your greenery, while also attracting environmentally conscious buyers if you ever decide to sell. To bring it all together, landscaping is not only about creating beauty for the sake of others' admiration. It's about increasing the practical and emotional value of your home, day after day. Whether you're thinking of selling in the future or simply want a restful retreat from life's daily pressures, investing in your outdoor spaces pays dividends, both in your pocket and in your peace of mind. Unlocking these dual benefits is less about grand gestures and more about thoughtful choices that invite nature in, one plant or paver at a time. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about the powerful connections between your home, nature, and personal well-being, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more fascinating discussions about how science and practical wisdom can transform your home and your life, one green space at a time.